It is a pocket-sized portable hand-powered espresso machine. With only boiling water, ground coffee, or capsule, you can prepare amazing shots, with a quality close to that of traditional machine, anywhere, anytime. Nanopresso is good for those who, often on the road, and would like to bring your espresso habit with you anywhere you go. And also for those who would like to cut down on takeaway coffees, and all the disposable packaging that comes with them. While it may not suitbale for those who already have solid semi-automatic espresso machines, and fussy about the taste, or those who need milk frother,